Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the $1 Million Challenge. So in today's video, we are going to talk about my M1 portfolio. I have this section of my portfolio, utilities, that I just don't know much about. All right. When I started investing, this was like a category that I put together. Then I looked at the top companies in those categories. I've had this for over 4 years. I've only gotten paid about $187 in dividend. I've lost money within that 4 years. I'm down 2%. I put in $2,422. It's currently worth $2,200. Okay, so I'm losing money on this, and quite frankly, I'm gonna sell it. Okay, it's not performing well. Utilities, don't do it. Don't invest in utilities. We don't know much about them. Okay, they are a very opaque business. We just know they give us light and they charge us a lot of money. So their money is not reflecting in their stocks. That is for sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just sell out of all of this and put that money towards my business, my touring business, like I'm saying. Very simple, just like that. We've been able to sell out of it. All right. Right now, this is the amount that I'm selling. And the reason why I'm doing that is not keep the entire portfolio kind of out of whack. Okay. So that's why I'm selling that. But so far, we've been able to raise about $27,000. Now, with this particular video and this whole thing, like I'm looking to raise about $30,000 to 35, but so far we've been able to raise about 27. So I'm selling out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completely. Now over time, I'm gonna be going through this as well and see maybe this money will be best served in my monthly income section of the portfolio here, right? This one is doing very well because this one pays me dividend on a monthly basis, right? I love getting paid. That's the whole point of me setting up these portfolios. I love getting paid. Now this has grown by 1%, but this section of the portfolio is mainly geared towards income, right? I'm gonna pay a dividend of $1,000 ever since I had it, right? Market gain very little, but the dividend has been okay. So I might move all my ETF in here. I might not. I'm just still thinking about things. If the market drops a lot, I'll sell out of the ETFs and I'll invest those here. But we'll get to that when that time comes. But now the portfolio is doing well, 13%. $8,000 in growth. $8,000 is awesome. It's a down payment for a house. It's something massive. So in the next dividend update, you are not going to see this anymore, and I'm going to be concentrating on the passive income section. I want to make it lean. I want to invest in only the best companies. I'm looking to bring down my holdings to roughly maybe 20 to 30 different companies that I own, and then just investing in those companies on a consistent basis, knowing that these companies are going to outlast me and they're going to be here for a long time. So that is what I'm looking to do with this portfolio, just kind of honing in a little bit more on the portfolio. So that is it for today's video. If you are loving what I do here, please subscribe. If not, I'll see you later. For those that do, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Love you all. Until next time, see you later.